Nope, I'm not here to share my wins and join the New Year's happy trend. Let's be real, 1.1 billion of people are living in poverty and struggling every day. Half of the world can only afford $5.50 a day just getting by. That's a lot of people. Now, don't take me wrong, I'm not here to complain and be a Debbie Downer. I'm just here to keep it real. 2024 from my side had happy moments and successes, but it also was one of the hardest times of my life. I lost my big brother. I watched something that I was building for 3 years fall apart. I had heavy, unforeseen expenses and few health issues. The thing is, social media often gives us a fake vision of reality that makes us feel like we are falling behind in life. Studies show that when we scroll through social media for a long time, it increases our anxiety and depression. But hey, if from your side you had happy and great moments in 2024, I'm truly happy for you. Let's celebrate that too. So here it is to all of us, those who had wins and those who didn't. As we step into this new year, I just wanted to share realness with you, and I wanted to say I'm rooting for you, and it's also okay to just getting through it some days. Remember, everything is temporary, both the joys and the hardships. And for those going through hard times, I hope you hold on that hope. I'm sending you prayers of blessings and peace, and I love you all.